Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Now, I know it's been a while since I posted, guys. I am so sorry. Please forgive your girl. But I am back with Indaba Zakamseleku. So, Izingane Zakamseleku is back. Izingane Zesthembu. Now that they are back, I made some few videos on TikTok. Please enjoy the comments that we made on TikTok and let me know what you think. Please do not forget to like and to share and to subscribe. Here are the TikTok videos.
So bazalwane uSibindi uthi uyolobola uTirelo and Khabo Lomunye uyovela, right? Akimuzulu ne, mara my understanding is uTirelo uyenza what needs to be done for uTirelo to be a wife. So meaning ukuthi automatically uTirelo will be the first wife, I get, because she will be the one that is lobolat first. Right, chap? My question is uTirelo ready for every girlfriend to be introduced to her as potential mamncane? Remember, that is the same thing that happened to Uvuyokazi, because Uvuyokazi, everybody was introduced to her and then was like, this is the potential, right? And when it was her turn to be umamkhulu, she was told to you're not a virgin, so you cannot be umamncane. I need somebody who's pure, according to Usibindi. So, do you think ukuthi uTirelo has the liver to stomach all the introductions? I know she said yena ukuthi akanandaba noma ingazi train yena ayimthwenyiselo content with her relationship and empumelelo, and she knows where she's standing, she knows what she wants. But do you honestly think ukuthi girl can stomach the fact yokuthi bazo introduce everybody else and say, this is the potential mamncane, this is the potential mamncane, this is the potential mamncane? I can monitor that type of bekezela, that bekezeling spirit. I don't see it in her, but I might be wrong. When I